What happens when the wild stops being peaceful and starts testing you? When adventure turns into survival, only one thing matters: being prepared. That's why a survival checklist isn't just a list. It's your lifeline, your confidence booster, your ticket home. And today we're building it together. Imagine stepping into the wilderness with nothing but your pack and your courage. Sounds epic until you realize courage doesn't purify water or stop bleeding. That's where preparation comes in. First rule: water. No clean water, no you. Always carry a purifier, filter, or purification tablets. Streams and lakes look pure, but trust me, they're crawling with microscopic trouble. Hydration isn't optional, it's survival. Now fuel up. Your brain stops working without calories, so stash light, power-packed snacks, nuts, energy bars, jerky. Skip anything that crushes easily or needs a microwave. Nature doesn't do microwaves. And if you're feeling bold, learn simple fishing or trapping skills. Mother Nature provides if you know how to ask. But gear alone won't save you. Injuries happen fast. One slip, one thorn, one dumb move and boom, you're bleeding or limping. That's why your survival kit must have first aid, bandages, antiseptic, painkillers, tweezers, and any personal meds. Bonus points if you bring splints or a snake bite kit. Bonus points if you actually know how to use them. Survival favors the prepared, so learn first aid before you need it. Fire, it's warmth, it's light, it's cooked food, it's hope. Bring waterproof matches, a lighter, and a fire starter. Redundancy isn't overkill, it's survival. And shelter. Cold is a silent killer. One tarp and an emergency blanket can save your life. One night of freezing rain without covering, it's game over. Then there's the most underrated weapon: navigation. Getting lost feels funny in a movie, not in real life. Your phone battery dies, GPS loses signal, so bring a compass and map. Old school equals reliable. And practice using them before heading out, because the woods are no place for a learning curve. But let's be real. None of this matters if your mind collapses. Survival is 90% mental. You must stay calm when things go sideways. Breathe, focus, think solutions. Not panic. You're stronger than fear. And when doubt creeps in, remember every challenge you've already overcome. You've survived before and you will again. A survival checklist is more than gear, it's mindset plus skill plus readiness. It's knowing you can adapt. It's taking responsibility for your life. It's respecting nature and matching its power with your own. Adventure always comes with risk. Preparation turns that risk into excitement. So build your kit, learn the skills, stay sharp, because when life throws a storm at you, you won't just survive. You'll own it.